just jumped out. They've been the best friends ever since. He's got the secret their existence. Inside the walls they've always been. You can't stop the leaders, 'cause the leaders don't stop.
Well, aren't they something? I bet you never saw anything like this before.
I wouldn't go that far. Remember, this is a former lion tamer here. Where'd everybody go?
It just doesn't seem right for them to be caged like that.
Of course it's right. They're animals. Animals are supposed to be in cages.
Who says?
Right or wrong, it's still exciting to see them.
I suppose so.
I wonder what they'd like to see next. I know! The monkey house! Now you stay here. I'll be right back. I'm just going to get some peanuts for the monkeys.
They really are funny, aren't they?
Now you're getting the right idea. I wonder why that cage is empty.
That's a practice cage.
What's a practice cage?
Well, let's find out.
Henry told us to wait here. Ashley, tell them not to leave the box.
Why? He's a big boy. And who says we always have to do what Henry Big says anyway?
A practice cage is where circus performers perfect their skills.
Dinky, don't go in there.
Quiet! I need silence. All eyes are on Dinky the Magnificent as he tames 15 lions at the same time. Yeah!
Maybe Lucy's right, Dinky. You shouldn't be in there. Huh?
Ordinary mortals shouldn't be in here. True. Weak-hearted cowards shouldn't be in here. True.
Dinky!
But I am.
Dinky, back!
Dinky!
Dinky!
Run, Dinky, run!
Get out of there, Dinky! Dinky!
I don't feel so good. I think I'm gonna faint.
Thanks for taking us to the zoo, Henry. I'm sorry if we were trouble.
Don't worry about it, Lucy.
And thanks for rescuing Dinky.
Right. I'll return the favor sometime. We adventurers must stick together. See you later, Henry.
Right, I'll see you in a week.
What? A week?
Yeah, I'm going to computer camp to learn all about my home computer. I'm pretty sure I told Dinky.
I'm pretty sure you did, too.
I'll bring you some extra food later tonight. Take care of yourselves.
Oh, I'm so glad you're finally home. Grandpa has some important news.
Is that them, Helen?
Yes, it's them, Grandpa.
I want you all to read this carefully. I didn't want to tell you until it was definite, but that was why I wanted you to go to the zoo with Henry today.
A zoo? Are we gonna have our own zoo?
That's the council decision.
But where will they get the animals from, Grandpa?
The council has decided that the littles are to hunt and capture animals for the zoo.
Hunt for animals? You mean a safari?
Exactly, Dinky.
A safari? Boy, that does sound exciting.
And I know someone else who will think it's exciting too. Ashley.
What a marvelous day for a safari!
Good cork brain. Yell louder so you scare off all the animals.
That's not such a bad idea.
Surely you're not saying you want to disobey the city council's orders.
Cousin Ashley's right, Lucy. It's every little civic duty to help capture specimens for the zoo.
And capture them we shall!
That spider's gonna make a great...
Shh, Tom, you'll frighten it off.
I don't think anything could frighten off that creature.
I still don't think it's right, Grandpa. Animals were not born to be cooped up in cages.
Sometimes we have to do things we don't like to do, Lucy. No! Got it!
Fantastic, Grandpa! You got him!
Now we've got you, insect.
There's no need to torment that spider, Ashley.
Oh, take it easy, Lucy. I'm just playing with him.
Grandpa!
He's captured, Ashley. That's enough.
Oh, all right. Since you're so worried about him, Lucy, you can transport him back home while we go on with the hunt.
I'll help you, Lucy.
Okay. Let's go.
I just don't feel right about this, Tom.
We've got a job to do, Lucy.
Tom, do you hear that?
It's a bird.
And it's in trouble. There it is. The poor thing.
Must have fallen out of its nest.
That must be the baby's mother. That is the mother, Tom. She's worried about her baby.
She's got good reason to worry. That baby bird is in danger from every animal in the forest if it can't fly.
Well, I'm going up after it. Don't try to stop me. That bird needs help.
I'd better go with you. You're liable to get stuck up there yourself.
Don't worry, we'll help you.
Lucy, I think its wing is broken.
Then we'll have to set it and nurse this creature back to health.
Set its wing with what?
Just leave it to me.
My little sister's gonna be a nurse someday.
Not someday, Tom, today. And you make a pretty fair nurse's aide.
Just what I always wanted to be.
Okay, let him go. Now it'll mend. But I'm worried about this ledge, Tom. He could fall off again.
I'll make a barrier so he can't get too close to the edge.
It's too bad Henry isn't here. He could put the bird back in its nest where it belongs. Tom, can we come back and see him tomorrow?
It's all right with me, but you better be careful not to talk about this in front of Cousin Ashley. Otherwise, your small friend is going to end up on display at the little zoo.
You're right.
3 days, and we've brought in 6 specimens for the new zoo. We should be proud of ourselves.
Look, we got something.
We got him! He's fantastic! Oh, the best yet!
Don't do that. Grandpa, make him stop.
Oh, gosh, Lucy, I'm just having some fun.
How would you like to be in there?
Me? That's a laugh.
Let's get your prize specimen back home.
Tom and I are going to hunt a little on our own, Grandpa.
All right, but be careful.
Hey, how come you two always go off on your own every afternoon?
We go to hunt.
But you never bring anything back.
Maybe we're just not as good at hunting as you, Cousin Ashley.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe.
Careful, Lucy! It's the baby's mother!
I think she knows we're here to help.
That's still a wild animal, Lucy.
Animals can tell the difference between a good person and a bad person. I hope. That's right. We're friends. We're trying to help your baby.
I don't like what happened back there with Ashley. I think he's getting suspicious, Lucy.
We'll be careful, and I don't think we'll need that much more time. The wing is mending nicely. He'll be able to fly soon.
Hunting on their own, are they? We'll see about that.
Termites will make an interesting exhibit at the zoo, Dinky, and this tree looks like it has them. Dinky, are you hungry again?
No, Grandpa. I just...
Then why is your stomach growling? What is it, Dinky? Get hold of yourself, Dinky!
It's a monster! It's a monster! A bear! A bear! It's horrible! It's gigantic! It's...
We need help, not a description!
Let's climb down the tree!
Why not just jump into his mouth if you want to make things easier for him? This is it, Dinky. We've no place else to go.
Except into his stomach! Help! Help! Help!
Get away, Tom! Save yourselves!
No! Save us!
He wants the honey, Grandpa!
We're getting out of here, Dinky!
I'm all for that!
Hold on to me!
Courage, even in the face of an attacking grizzly bear. That's the stuff that separates the men from the boys.
Remind me to put you in diapers when we get home.
Where's Cousin Ashley?
He said he wanted to scout out some new territory for us to hunt tomorrow. He's probably back home by now.
That sounds like a good place to be.
You know, you amaze me, Dinky.
I do?
Yeah, you're so accomplished for a man so young. An aviator, an adventurer, an explorer.
Yes, I've lived an exciting life. Life is what you make out of it, I always say.
Me too. We think alike, you and I.
We do?
Of course. We live for the fame, the romance, the recognition that our daring brings to us.
Yes, we do.
And that's why I'm going to share the secret of the great bird with you, Dinky.
The great bird. The great bird? What's the great bird?
It's a creature you're going to help me capture for the little zoo. A creature that will bring us both fame beyond our wildest dreams. Now, here's the plan. Those will make nice additions to the zoo, Lucy.
Well, I guess so.
See? Now, isn't this fun?
Fun for everyone but the worms.
Ashley's being awfully nice to Lucy today.
It's good to see him making an effort.
I scouted over that hill there. I found a colony of grasshoppers that would be interesting for the zoo.
Well, that's better than capturing mice anyway.
Lucy, why don't you and Tom and Grandpa try to round up some of those grasshoppers?
And what will you and Dinky be doing?
We'll scout new territory.
A few hours without Dinky? Ashley, how can I ever repay you?
I'll think of a way.
Achoo!
Can't Can't you control yourself, Dinky?
These flowers make me sneeze. Achoo!
Well, we'll be out of the pasture soon anyway. Not much further to the cliff.
I don't see why we couldn't tell Lucy and Tom about the great bird.
They wouldn't understand. They're too goody-goody. I mean, they are not men of the world like you and me. There's the cliff now.
You're sure there's a bird up there? I'd hate to climb all that way.
Oh, come on, Dinky. You're not afraid of heights, are you?
There is a bird here.
I told you there was.
Oh, looks like someone's been nursing its wing.
You hold him while I get this hood on him.
Easy, fella. You'll like it at the zoo. Plenty of food and... Don't be so rough, Ashley. Are you sure this is going to work?
Yeah, I'm sure. Lucy told me all about how the tree tinies fly on birds. With this hood on him, he'll flutter around blindly and land on the ground.
You better hope its wing is mended, Ashley.
Come on, you dumb bird, land! You're not flying anywhere! Land! I did it! I knew I could do it!
You made it, Ashley!
Of course I did! This is just a dumb bird. I don't know why Lucy was so...
Lucy? What about Lucy?
Nothing,
This is her bird, isn't it?
where are you going?
I don't want any part of this. You have no business taking Lucy's bird. And when I tell Grandpa about it... Oh, I hope that's not who I think it is. It is! I'd know that growl anywhere!
He could eat us in a single gulp!
Don't say anything like that, Ashley! You'll give him ideas!
I think he's already got the general idea.
I'm getting out of here!
You're coming with me, bird! Now that you got us in here, do you have any other great ideas?
We wouldn't be in this mess if you hadn't tried to kidnap Lucy's bird. Ah! Do something, Ashley!
Here, have an appetizer!
We'll never make it out of here! That thing can cover 10 times the ground we can in a single step!
We're not here to play. We're here to work. What the?
Tom, it's the mother bird.
How can you tell?
What mother bird?
She's a friend of ours, Grandpa.
He's going to eat us!
The heck with this bird. I can always get another.
Look! That bear's got Dinky and Ashley cornered.
I knew Ashley had something up his sleeve.
We've got to rescue them.
But how?
That bird is trying to keep him busy. Now's the time. You children stay here. Quickly, we have to get out of here while the bird is distracting him.
But I can't move, Grandpa!
Either you move or I'll make you move. Go on, Ashley. I'll tend to Lucy's bird. You're tangling with the wrong little, my friend. You've got my dander up.
take this bird. Here, Lucy. I believe this belongs to you.
Grandpa.
You sent that bear running.
Every creature has its weakness. For bears, it's a sensitive nose.
And for Cousin Ashley, it's a sneaky nature.
How was I supposed to know Lucy didn't want it for the zoo?
Grandpa, that bird saved Dinky and Ashley along with its baby.
I know, Lucy.
It couldn't have done that if it was in a cage at a zoo.
When the city council hears about how that bird saved two littles' lives, I think they may be convinced to give up the zoo project.
Well, I still have to admit I enjoyed the thrill of hunting.
You mean the thrill of hiding?
Ah, the adventure. When danger hides behind every corner. And what compares to the excitement of exploring strange places where no littles have gone before? Ah!
What is it, Dinky? Dinky, you have such a nose for adventure.
I think we're ready to try it, Henry.
Hey, you guys, give us a hand. Very funny. Very funny.
What's going on? You're just in time to help us build a pretzel house.
A pretzel house?
It's a little idea from one of your big friends.
Henry and I already cut out the door and windows with a pair of scissors.
Now all we have to do is glue the stick pretzels on the milk carton, and we're all done.
We'll help.
Wow, our very own Little's pretzel house.
Just looking at it makes me hungry.